Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today is a new day, which means a new look from Muah. Today we're working with the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. This palette is the palette that I took to Coachella, hence Festival. It has beautiful shades. I think it's 20 shades for 8, 12, 16, 20. Yes, 20 beautiful shades, perfect for spring. Heck, winter if you like to wear these colors in the winter. I forget how much this palette retailed for. I believe when I bought it, it was somewhere between $16 and $18. But of course, like every video, the items that I'm wearing on my face are linked down below in the description box, as well as this palette, and the price will be too. So check out the description box if you're interested in this palette. And without further ado, let's get right on into this look. Okay, so for starters, we're going to start off with the shade Zippy, which is this cute hot pink shade right here. And I'm just going to push that into my crease area, packing it, and then blending. So we're going to pack, and then blend. Okay, so now that that is there, we are gonna go into the shade. I forgot to tell you what brush this was. This is my MAC 217 brush. Ow. And this one here is my Morphe M503 brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade Electric. It's electric. Boogie, woogie, woogie, woogie. I'm going to take that and blend out the edges of that dippy shade. Now I'm going back in with my MAC 217 brush, and I'm going back into my hot pink right here, dippy. And again, packing and blending to bring some of that color back. Next, I'm taking this Morphe M507 brush, which is like a tiny blending brush, and I'm gonna merge the two pinks together, even though much doesn't need to be done because they're both pink. Okay, so now that that is blended, we're going to go in with the shade Solstice, which is this pink shade right here. It is a shimmer shade, and I'm just going to use my finger to place that on the lid. And then I'm just going to blend that. Next, with that same MAC 217 brush, I'm going to flatten it like this and go on my lower lash line. Now taking that Morphe M503, I'm going into Electric just to soften it a little bit. Okay, now I'm taking this small angled brush, which is from Shiny Cosmetics, and I'm going to put some all-nighter spray on it and go into the shade Palooza, which is this beautiful blue right here, and I am going to place that in my waterline. And now I'm taking this shade Ultimate, which is this nice blue shimmer shade right here, and I'm going to put that in my tear duct. And I think that's even. Can't really tell in the monitor. Okay, so the last little finishing touch that I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shade Magical, which is this champagne gold right here. And I'm just going to like literally poop, poop. And I'm going to put some underneath my brow bone. Okay, so that is all for the shadow portion. The next thing that I'm going to do is pop on a lash and some mascara. And we're good to go. This is the final look. It's just giving me festival vibes, hence the festival palette. Alright, so I hope this look was easy enough. Remember to tune in every day for my 31 days of eyeshadow palettes. Every single day I am here giving you a new look. So make sure you are subscribed and you hit that notification bell so that you know when I do post the next video. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video and comment down below if you're feeling this look or if you like the BH Cosmetics Festival palette. Just let me know, and with that I will see you tomorrow.